Today we present the PNI PSF 6020A solar panel, designed especially for powering surveillance cameras. In the box you will find the solar panel, the built-in 20-amp battery, and the mounting kit with accessories for wall or pole installation. The power of the sun, transformed into energy for your security. An efficient and durable solar panel with integrated battery for extended autonomy provides constant power to your surveillance cameras, day and night. Easy to install, reliable and eco-friendly. For more details and other products, visit pni.ro.